Do you have super tight hips that you just can't unlock? If so, try my hip mobility flow. We're going to start out doing some reach and rotations. And then we're going to move right into external rotation and internal rotation active contractions. For the internal, really try and focus lifting that ankle off the floor. Then we're going to move directly into hip ups, and you'll feel a big stretch through the front of the hip as you bring those hips up and forward off the ground. Moving into our swing throughs, you're going to take that back leg and swing it on through all the way to a half kneeling position. Then we're going to move into our half kneeling hamstring and ankle mobilizations. As you're pushing forward, keep the heel down, and as you're rocking back, try and keep that leg straight and feel a stretch through the hamstrings. Then we're moving into adductor rockbacks here. You're going to kick one leg out to the side, and then you're scooting back or sitting back onto your heel to really feel that stretch through the adductor. We're going to take time to switch. You make sure you do both sides with this flow series. Again, we're starting with our reach through and rotations, and then our active internal and external contractions. Lift the ankle off the floor for the internals. This one is difficult. And then going into our hip ups, where you feel a good stretch through the front of the hip. And then right into the swing throughs to get to that half kneeling position. This is a coordination exercise as well. Once you get to that half kneeling position, mobilize the ankle by pushing forward, trying to get your knee past your toes while keeping the heel down on the floor, and then rocking backwards with the leg straight to feel a stretch through the hamstrings. Then we repeat our adductor rockbacks on the other side. Kick the leg out straight. Keep the toes pointed forward, and you're sitting back on your heels, feeling a stretch. Breathe through any restrictions. Then I go into a downward dog into a pigeon stretch. This pigeon stretch is a great posterior hip joint stretch. From the pigeon stretch, I do both sides, and then we go straight into a frog stretch to really finish off the adductors and get that area unlocked. The final thing I do in my hip flow is I actually do prone press-ups to get some extension through the lumbar spine, since a lot of what we do through the day is flexion-based, so I like to go extension. Thanks for watching my 10-minute hip mobility flow. If you found this helpful, please comment, like, and subscribe. It really makes a difference. If there's anything you want to see that I haven't posted yet, please drop a comment below. If you want a video on the best stretches to do if you're someone that works from home, check out this video. Otherwise, stay moving, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next video.